Welcome to our channel inFUNmation. As the first video of our course, let's see the software installations today. Before that, if you are new here, please subscribe to the channel and upvotes to the video so that YouTube will know this is a good content. Open your browser and search for JDK download. You will find the first link is Java downloads from Oracle. Click on the link, and it will take you to its home page. In here we want Java SE Development Kit. If you want, you can choose previous builds, but right now I am choosing the latest version. If you are Linux or Mac OS users, you can choose these kits. I am a Windows user, so I am choosing the 64-bit installer. Click on the link and download the file. I have already downloaded my file, so I will be using it. Once the download is done, run the file. You will get this pop-up. Click on Next. In the next module, click on Install, and your JDK installation starts. Once the installation is over, click on Close. Give it a few minutes to install the file. It may take some time, so sit back and relax. If you are interested in learning C, check out my other course, Let Us See too. Now open Windows Explorer, go to C Drive and open Program Files. In the Program Files, open Java folder. In the folder you will find the version of JDK which you have installed. Open it and you will see a bin folder. You have to open the bin folder and copy the path of the folder. What we are about to do now is an important thing. If we didn't do it properly, your compiler won't be able to run your programs. Now in the search, type System Environment Variables. You see a file with that name, click on it. This is the one we want. A pop-up will opens, select Environment Variables. It should opens another window. In the System Variables window you will see a variable with the name path. Select path and click on Edit. Another window opens. In this window select New option and paste the path which you have copied earlier and click on OK in all windows. To check whether the installation is properly done or not, open Command Prompt and type the command, Java -, and click on Enter. It should display you the version details. Yeah, the installation is perfect. Now open the browser and search Notepad++. It should show you downloads link of Notepad++, click on it. Select the latest build and click on 32-bit or 64-bit version. Once the file is downloaded, run the file. I will give you theses links in description below to download along with few instructions. Click on Next, agree the terms, click on Next in the next few windows and install. After the installation is done, click on Finish and run the Notepad++. From the next video, I will show you how to write a program. For now, let's use the program that I have already written. This is a basic program. Now let's see how to get the output. Open Command Prompt. If you observe this window, the line where cursor is blinking shows you the position of Command Prompt Workplace, or where the command prompt is looking at. Right now it is C Drive, Users folder, and ready to access my files. Now see the title bar of Notepad++. You can see the path of my program file. First one is Drive, second one is Folder, and last one is file name with extension .java. According to this, my file is in F drive, so let's type F and colon in Command Prompt and hit Enter. Now we can access the F drive. Time to get into the Java folder. Of course, wherever you have saved the file you have to type its name. In my case it's Java, so let's type cd --Java and hit Enter. Now we can access our program file. To do that, first we have to compile it. I will explain about the compilation in further videos. For now, just remember that the command is javac. Type javac --filename.java and hit Enter. If there are no errors in your program, it should show you the next line blank like this. Now let's execute the program. Type java --filename and hit Enter, and you will get the output. Now you may feel, what the hell just happened? How did I get this? Don't worry, I will explain everything in the next video. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching till the end. See you in the next video.